maida, all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well. Now we'll add some milk. Half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it. Now we'll add some blue color. We'll add sugar, 2 tablespoons. And mix it up so that it gets dissolved nicely. We need to add little oil, very little. Mix it properly. Is ready to bake. We have to bake it for 1 minute 15 seconds.